got an unboxing video for you. If you follow us on social media, you might have seen me talking about something called Glow Theory the other day. Glow Theory is a South African distributor for Korean beauty products. They followed us on Twitter, and then I looked them up, fell down the rabbit hole, landed up on the website, might have bought some things. I really like the look of the site. It's very professional, it's very slick. The purchase process was super easy, and I thought the pricing was really fair. So I happened to be browsing and I just ended up putting some things in my basket. Anyway, so they've arrived. So today we're going to look at them. I made the order very late on a Friday and the delivery came the following Tuesday morning. So if we're talking in weekdays here, maybe like a day and a half for delivery, which isn't bad at all. It came via courier, and this is the package. So I've patiently awaited this moment. It is time to dig in. So in the package we've got this cardboard box and just a plain unmarked envelope, which I'm guessing is maybe the sheet masks. We'll see. I'm just going to open the box quickly. Like I said, I bought all these things myself. This isn't a PR delivery. I just really like the look of the company and the stuff intrigued me. So okay, here we go. This is how it comes. Beautiful pink tissue paper, a little black bow, and then a card from Glow Theory, and that says, Julia, thanks so much for the order. I hope you enjoy your glow goodies from Tamsin. And it says, post your haul on social media and tag us to win monthly prizes. Okay, I must say I really like the aesthetic, this whole kind of pink Miami thing they've got going on. Okay, let's see what's in the box. I can't remember what I ordered even. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. First up, this is a product that I think I first heard about from Nikki Tutorials. Oh, that reminds me. Something really cool about the site is when you go onto each of the product pages, for most of the products at the bottom there is a video from a YouTuber or a beauty guru talking about that particular product, which is really handy because a lot of them I either have never heard of or they're very unfamiliar to me, and it's nice to get a little bit of kind of real-time feedback from people rather than just reading whatever the brand themselves says about the product. So this is an example of that working really well on me. I happened to see this in, I think it was Nikki Tutorials' annual favorites, I'm not exactly sure, but it is the J.One Jelly Pack, Dramatic Firming Skin with Improved Elasticity and Pore Smoothing. Yes please. So this is apparently a very hydrating and grippy makeup base. It says, a true multitasking makeup gripper that combines a morning mask, lifting treatment and primer all in one. The unique jelly texture helps to effectively penetrate the skin to deliver moisture for depleted skin while firming the skin, say skin again, upon gentle patting, creating a smooth, flawless canvas for makeup. Very interested to see how that works. Okay, next up is a product that actually I've had on my list for quite a long time. When Camilla was in Vietnam a couple of years ago, she bought back for me the Lineage water sleeping mask, which is a kind of cult Asian beauty product. It's a very lightweight, watery moisturizer essentially, but you shove a load of it on your face and you go to sleep and you wake up and it's just super smooth and bouncy. So I knew that Lineage also made a lip mask, and this is it. This is the Special Care Lip Sleeping Mask, and it's in the scent Berry. So it looks like this, and it comes with a dinky little applicator. The water mask also comes with an applicator, and it is also available on the Glow Theory website, by the way. Oh yeah, smells exactly like berries, and it looks kind of like a pink oily balm. Let's see what the texture's like. Ooh, it is like a balm. Oh, I feel like that's going to be really nourishing. I cannot wait to try this. That's going straight next to my bed. Very excited about that one. Okay, what is next? Okay, this one was recommended by Tati, and her video is also on the site. And she did a... Excuse me. She did a video all about drugstore K-beauty products that were worth the hype. This was one of them. This is the EcoSol. The name of the product isn't actually on here and I can't remember it, but I'll put it on the screen. It's essentially a cream eyeshadow, and it's basically a kind of champagne gold. Ooh. Oh, it's not actually a cream. It seems to be a pressed pigment, like the Infallible Shadows from L'Oreal. It's got a little stopper on the top, which I assume is what keeps it nice and compact. Ooh, the color is so pretty. I think it's kind of like a sparkly top coat for your eyes. Oh, that is, oh yes, can you see that? Oh, that is gorgeous. It's got a slightly pinky golden tint to it. It's not pure kind of icy champagne. beautiful. Next up, another one from EcoSol. This is the Water Eye Tint. So this is kind of the liquid version of those pressed shadows. This is in Pleasant Cinnamon. There was another shade on the site, and I now can't remember what it was called. I think it was a kind of taupey color from this range, but it wasn't in stock. So I got this one instead, which is a beautiful, kind of a rosy copper. How gorgeous is that color? Can't wait to put that all over my eyes. It's a really nice thin texture, but quite dense in pigment. Feels very cooling as it's drying down, and apparently it does set and doesn't crease, so that's gorgeous. I don't have anything like that color. It's so pretty. Love that. Okay, and then in this box there are also a couple of samples. I've got the Wamisa Organic Flowers Eye Essence and the Organic Flowers Water Cream. So those two samples. And then, awesome, it's one of the samples of something I was actually going to buy. This is the CosRx BHA Blackhead Power Liquid. This is a salicylic acid treatment, and it's got 4%, which is twice as strong as anything I've ever tried. Sounds very exciting. Very keen to try that, and I've got my eye on the full size. I also got the Low pH Good Morning Gel Cleanser, also CosRx, the Advanced Snail 92 All-in-One Cream, and the PHA Moisture Renewal Power Cream. So those are all really interesting samples that I'm totally going to use. Okay, let's break into that pink pouch. Oh, I'm so excited for these. I love sheet masks. This one is hilarious. Okay, this is the Chocolate Milk 1-pack. Isn't this packaging just amazing? I don't even care what it does, as long as it smells like chocolate. And then this is the Tony Moly Changing You Magic Foot Peeling Shoes. I'm so excited for these. Guys, I have feet like hooves. They are hideous. I hate maintaining them, it's so boring. I refuse to let strangers touch my feet. So I have been looking for a really good treatment that will basically just destroy all of the hardened calluses on them. And the picture on the front here shows a lady with cracks all over her feet, and then her transformed and surrounded by magic sparkles with beautiful smooth heels. I want that to be me. Of course, all of the writing is in Korean, so I have no idea how to do it. Although there's some helpful pictures here, I'm sure I will figure it out. But essentially they contain AHAs that nibble away at the dead skin, and that's supposed to make your feet lovely and smooth after use. Very intrigued by those. I also got the Essential Source Microfoil Mask in the Pure Bright version, and it's from, is the brand a Pure? I'm not sure. Anyway, it looks like that. It looks like this is a 2-part mask. I've never used one of the foil masks before, so that's why I got it. It was quite interesting. These are really affordable as well, by the way. And it basically, again, all in Korean, but the pictures show that looks like it comes with a little essence that you put on first, then you put the mask on, and then once you take it off, you kind of rub the excess into your skin. Yum. And then finally another one from J.One. This is the J.One Jelly Pack Vita Mask, and it's a 2-step one, but again everything is in Korean, so there's no real way to tell. But I have a feeling there were English instructions on the website, so I'll just look that up. But it can't be rocket science, I mean it's a face mask. So that's everything I got. So there are a couple of things on the list that I didn't get, but I was kind of mulling over. The one was that CosRx BHA liquid exfoliator, and the other one was a product that wasn't in stock. It was called Clean It Zero, and it's like a cleansing balm. I mean, a Korean cleansing balm. So I'm going to try and get my hands on that in the near future. So yeah, go and check it out. Very, very nice site. There is another Korean beauty distributor that I am aware of called K Beauty Africa. I will put links to both of those sites down below. I've only ordered from Glow Theory personally, but those are the two that I know of. So if you're into that kind of thing, go and check it out. I personally find the pricing on Glow Theory a little bit better because they do share a lot of similar brands. I find Glow Theory is a little bit cheaper, but they also do stock some things that the others don't. So worth looking at both. If you do buy anything, please let me know. And if there's anything on the site that I haven't mentioned and I didn't look at that is really, really good that I should be putting on my face, also tell me about that. If you aren't subscribed, please do. We'll see you guys soon in our next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!